Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to properly pad your princess armhole princess dart. In our previous video I showed you how to draft it, so I've transferred all my pattern into fabric. I cut, this is the middle, is on fold, this is the side. I cut two pieces. I cut the back and the lining as well. So for us to pad our princess armhole dart, we'll be needing our wadding. I'm using the soft one. We'll be needing our interfacing. This is hairstay, so I'll be gumming the hairstay to the fabric, then put the wadding, then paper stay. I'll be gumming it to my lining. So let me just show you how to pad it or cut the pad. So I'm going to fold it this way. So I'll take my center front, which is on fold, and put it at the unfold side. This side that is not opened, I put it this way. Put the side front like this. I'll put the two together this way. And I'm going to trace it out with my chalk this way. Please just watch the way I'm tracing it out. It will stop at the under bust. This is my under bust. We are not going to start from the waist. We are starting from the under bust. And you place it this way. Then you trace it up. By the time you trace it up, you wouldn't want to allow it to get to the neckline. So I'm just going to measure where I want it to stop. I want it to stop at 5 inches. That's from my under bust up. I will do 5 inches. So it's somewhere around here. That is where I'm going to stop. And the same 5 inches at the middle, at the center front, I'm going to mark it this way. So when I lift it up, I'm going to connect it. So I'm going to stop that there. Then the side here, where I stop at the 5 inches, that is where I'm going to stop it. Ensure that both the underbust for the front, center front, and the side front are the same. So I'm trying to follow the shape of the side front this way. And here, when you want to do it, you can measure it. Or another thing you can do is, you don't allow it to enter your side seam. You don't allow it to enter your side seam. So you can measure it from here. I want it to stop here, so I will lift it up. This is, I'm marking 5.5. You don't have to measure it, just do it such that it doesn't enter your seam allowance. So I'm going to connect it from here to this place like this way, ensuring that it doesn't enter your armhole area. So from here too, I will connect it back to my underbust this way. I hope you are seeing the way I'm doing the connection. So this is the side. Whatever shape you want to give it, or you can do it straight, but I would love mine to be round. So that is it. And this one too, I'm going to lift it up now. This is our center front. So I'm going to cut it out and show you the way it will be. So this is the way it will be for the middle. So this is the down, so that you don't make a mistake by the time you want to gum into your fabric. This is the way it will be. Since this is the down part, it will be like this. You see the way it is? So that's the way I will gum it. If I don't like the shape, I can still reshape it. So I'm going to gum it now and come and show you the way it is. So I've gum my SK and the wording to my fabric. As you can see, here is the SK and this is the wording. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to join it together. And before I forget, if you don't like the shape, as I said, especially at this side, you can reshape it. You can double your wording as well if you really want it to be pronounced, and you can use the thick wording, but I usually prefer it this way. So I'm going to join it and show you. Here is the outcome of our armhole princess dart after joining. You can see the way the cup area is. It's looking fine. So if my video has been helpful, please just give me a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe. I will really appreciate it. Let me just turn it to the other side so that you can see the way the inside is. Here is the inside, and I notched the under bust area so that it can lay very flat here. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.